Hey there, I want to do a quick demonstration of my weight room white template. With this weight room white template, there's going to be a full tutorial included with the download that's going to teach you all about the different layers, how to manipulate them, how to insert your subjects, different ways to pose them and light them, and so on. But for a quick demonstration, let's look into the layers. There is some foreground fog here on the very first layer that's going to help blend your subject into the scene so you don't have to worry about drawing shadows or connecting their feet to the ground. The next layer down is a curl bar that you can move around, resize, you can use, or you can decide not to use it. Then I have my Insert Subjects Here folder. That's where you're going to place your subject typically in the scene. Then I have a whole folder of weight equipment. So if I open this up and I can shut my main subject off, there's a box jump that you can use to, for example, if you shut the squat rack off, you can use just a CrossFit type scene. I can turn those back on. There's also a weight bench that you can have a subject sitting on the weight bench. I have the Olympic bar that's here that I can move around within the scene. I also have a bar with 2 plates and a bar with 1 plate, so you can decide how much weight your subject is lifting. There are directions that show you how to shut off the squat rack and make sure that you can see the entire Olympic bar if you just want to use the Olympic bar. Then I have some dumbbell racks in the background here that can be shut off, and I can just have a very simplified version of this whole scene that makes also a great option for, like I said, CrossFit athletes. You could do even dancers and different things in this template too. There's one last bonus layer that's just a layer of fog that looks really cool with a single athlete just standing there. So there are all kinds of really unique options with this template. Just take a look through the sample images to see a variety of different options. There are even directions that show you how to make your subject look like they're using that Olympic bar, just like that. If you like this template, be sure to check out my weight room dark template that also is a very cool weight room, yet has a completely different look with these weights. If you decide you like both templates, there's a great discount when you add both to your cart. These are obviously going to have a lot of impact for your subjects, and there are a lot of unique options. Hope you enjoy them.